Hello everyone, welcome to House of Depression. So today I'm going to be showing you how to never buy another pillow ever again. So I have this one pillow that is very flat, very old. It is clean because I always wash my pillows, but it is too flat. So I cut it open just to take a look and see what's inside. See what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's not going to work. So I got another pillow that I just got recently, but I realized it is too soft. It doesn't have enough filling inside. It's quite soft, like it, but it's too flat for me. So I got this pillowcase cover from Target. That is what I'll be using, two of them to create new pillows. So first of all, I took it out and I'm going to split it open in the middle. Then I will stuff the other shredded stuffing inside. But first I have to fluff the inside so that way it's not too flat again. Yeah, we don't want that problem one more time. We really don't want that happening. So see, I've stuffed it up. I still have the
Okay.
ends closed at this moment. I only have one side split open. So I stuff it inside and then I'll take the pillowcase cover and just start shoving it in. I will pinch the end as I'm shoving it in, pinch the end. This is a no-sew project. So see what I'm talking about? Just pinching and shoving it in, pinching and shoving it in. Then at the end, I'm going to split open one of the ends so I can stuff in whatever is left over in the pillow. Because the first time around, just put in what you can, don't overfill it. Push your hand all the way in so you can really spread the stuffing, evenly distributed around the pillow, the ends, and all that stuff. Now look at what I got here. Nice and soft but firm. This is a wonderful pillow. I wish I'd done this a long time ago. I really wish I had. Don't forget to subscribe to House of Depression.